Hey everyone, I know I haven't been posting in a while, but thank you to everyone who's staying subscribed to my channel. I have recently purchased these shoes that I've been wanting for many years, so I've decided to quickly pop in and share them with you guys. I just haven't had a lot of free time lately to post more videos, but I will definitely get back to doing so, and hopefully you guys will all stay tuned. But let's get to these shoes. If you ask someone to envision a pair of Chanel shoes, I think this probably is the pair that will come to mind. The classic Chanel Slingbacks. So let's see. I got a little booklet here. And then a couple of dust bags to keep each one of the shoes separate. Ta-da! I think this is just such a classic design with these black cap toes and the little subtle logo on the heel. I think it goes with absolutely anything, like any outfit. They look fantastic with jeans and something laid back, as well as a dress. So I typically wear size 7.5 in US sizing, and my foot is actually on the smaller side of 7.5. Sometimes I can get away with 7 if it's wide enough. So in Chanel, I am typically 38. When I tried 37.5, they were too small. 38.5 were fine, but a little bit loose in the back here. So I decided to go with my normal size 38. 37.5 actually did fit me, but felt a little bit narrow here. And 38 just felt perfect width. My foot is a little bit on the wider side, but these feel pretty comfortable and they don't feel super narrow, which I was afraid of. I was so hesitant because I, for some reason, thought that they were going to be super narrow and uncomfortable, but obviously I haven't worn these yet, so I can only judge by how I felt when trying them on. And I did walk around in these in the store. They felt pretty comfortable and wide enough for my foot, and this type of heel is always comfortable to me. This height is not too tall, not too short. I know for my foot, this type of heel always works really well, and that was a part of the reason why I really wanted these for so long. And this style comes in flats as well, but I have a pretty high arch, so for me, having a little bit of a heel is always more comfortable than just it being a flat. So I decided to go with these, and now I'm gonna give you a closer look. This is leather and this portion is fabric, and I want to just zoom in to show you the texture. It's like a ribbed texture, it's not smooth. So there you go. And these are perfect as far as quality. I did actually try on 3 different pairs with the same size because I didn't like the first pair that the sales associate brought out. They were pretty wrinkled right around here. The edge was not straight. It was kind of wavy, and I felt like it looked like a poor quality. So I wanted to pick a perfect pair, and I asked her to bring another pair in the same size, which she did, And on the other pair, this part was straight, but then it was a wrinkle here, and then somewhere on the side there was another wrinkle, and then I saw an imperfection, almost like a little scratch here by the logo. So I didn't want that other pair either. And then I asked her if she has any more in stock, and they did. So she was like, that next pair is gonna be the last one, we don't have any more. And I was saying to her, I hope the third pair is gonna be perfect. And when she brought these out, fortunately for me, they were perfect, nothing wrong with these. And as you can see, the stitching is straight, there's no major wrinkles or anything like that. They are absolutely perfect. So I went with these. And I guess there's not much else to say about these. I haven't worn them yet. As you can see, they're brand new. So I can definitely share when I get to wear them if they were comfortable, if I enjoy wearing them, and a little bit of wear and tear. I can share that with you guys in my future video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was super short. I just wanted to share this newest purchase that I made, something that I've been wanting for a really long time. So I'm like super excited to share with you guys. Please stay tuned for more videos, hopefully in the future. And thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my future videos. Bye bye.